In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of Stash versus Acorns versus Robinhood, three investing apps, each aimed at a different kind of investor. Whether you're just starting out, looking for automation, or ready to make your own moves, this comparison will help you decide which app fits you best. Let's start with Stash. Stash is built for beginners who want to invest little by little in stocks and ETFs with guidance. You can start with small amounts thanks to fractional shares, follow themed investment options like green energy or tech, and set up recurring deposits to build the habit. There's also the stock-backed debit card that rewards you with stock when you spend a fun perk. On the downside, Stash uses a flat monthly fee model, for example $3/month and up, which means if your balance is small, the fee becomes a large percentage of your holdings. Also, the investment choices are more limited compared to full brokers. You won't get the deepest tools or the broadest range of assets. If you're brand new and want to start investing with guidance, Stash is appealing, but if you want full control and very low cost, you may outgrow it. Next, Acorns. Acorns is all about automation and simplicity. Link your card, let everyday purchases get rounded up, and invest the spare change. It's almost like set it and forget it investing. It offers diversified portfolios, IRAs, custodial accounts, and even checking combined with investing. However, like Stash, Acorns uses a flat monthly fee rather than a percentage of assets, and if your assets are small, that fee can erode returns. Also, Acorns offers less customization. You don't pick individual stocks. It's more robo-style. So Acorns is a very good choice if you want to automate your investing, don't want to pick funds or stocks yourself, and you'll happily let the app do the legwork. Finally, Robinhood. Robinhood is built for self-directed investors who want control, low cost, and mobile simplicity. Featuring commission-free trading of stocks, ETFs, and in many cases, crypto, along with fractional shares and an intuitive app interface. Robinhood is perfect if you like to pick your own stocks, make frequent trades, or just want a flexible platform. The flip side, Robinhood does less automation, less handholding, and fewer of the guided features of Stash or rounding up features of Acorns. Also, the focus on trading means you'll need to manage your own portfolio, do your own research, and be comfortable making decisions. So Robinhood is strong for active traders or those who want control, but less ideal if you want minimal effort or step-by-step guidance. So, how to pick? Choose Stash if you're just starting, want guidance, invest small amounts, and are okay paying a flat monthly fee for convenience. Choose Acorns if you want close to automatic investing, minimal decision-making, and are fine with robo-style portfolios and flat monthly fees. Choose Robinhood if you want control, zero commissions, frequent trading, picking your own stocks, and you're comfortable doing the work. Each platform wins for different purposes. Stash helps you begin, Acorns helps you automate, and Robinhood helps you take control. Your best choice depends on how hands-on you want to be, how much you'll invest, and how comfortable you are with doing your own research. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Stash, Acorns, or Robinhood, or are thinking of switching to one of them. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more honest and easy-to-understand reviews of investing apps and tools.